Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find apps and services. And then let's tap on apps at the top. And right here we've been transferred to the full list of apps which are currently installed on this device. And what I highly recommend to do here is to go through all of those apps, especially those which are frequently using, and remove cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. So removing them will obviously release some memory. So let's open the app. Then let's scroll and go to storage, and here we've got this cache. So just tap on clear cache and your device will immediately remove it. And as I said, go through all of those apps and remove cache to release some memory. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.